Hi, Tony here. Well, after another busy week, US equity markets are poised for a third consecutive week of gains, with fresh record highs for both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq the highlight. The robust rally is continuing to be driven by optimism around a potential permanent ceasefire between the US and Iran, with markets looking through the current disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz betting on a resolution. Closer to home, the ASX 200 is poised to finish the week about 0.4% lower around that 89.20 level, snapping its 3-week winning streak. After a strong rally in the first half of the month took the index back above 9,000, profit taking has since set in. Looking ahead to next week, the Middle East will once again be front and centre, and reports suggest that a permanent ceasefire deal between the US and Iran could now take months, not weeks. Now, that would be a real challenge for both sides given the urgent need to reopen the Strait of Hormuz and restore normal energy flows. Away from the Middle East, attention will turn to key inflation reports out of New Zealand, Japan, and the UK. Now, these releases are expected to start to show the early impact of those higher fuel prices we've been seeing from the regional conflict. Finally, Q1 2026 earnings season in the US really starts to gather pace, and we'll be hearing from some big names like Boeing, Tesla, IBM, and Intel. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more market updates next week.